Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order flow, profile and volume in time. High healer try to laugh, but the lines gon' feast. Feast. Nerd out to take the battle from Liquidity to Wall Street.
Yeah, good morning. How we doing? Sounding a little raspy. How's everybody doing this morning? Yeah. Who juiced up on some giveaways this morning? Shout outs to Houston. Yeah, D, let's get it. Bergix, Cyper, shout out to you, brother. Yanthro, Curvies, Insistence, Latisse, Sephoros, Buzzcree, Fredward, Ready, let's go. Calling Noob. Congrats on the giveaway. Brolhose, Chris Parker, Ravs, Aurum, Fibmath, Gucci Romo, Hey Blade, good morning. Looks like YouTube is good. Let's get it. Chino, Epic Tech. How you doing? The math is the math. The juice is the juice. The levels are the levels. Bobby Toxic Pedals is Bobby Toxic Pedals. Let's get it. Crypto Numid. Chicken Milkshake. Mark. Maybe Band-Aid. Good morning. Slept no hours. Yeah, I feel you. Eek. Dilophosaurus. Good morning. Cuco Deliciosa. Lou Time. Cytilix. How you doing? Jay Becker. Domcheck. Corsaw. Vidal. Burbeezy. Let's get it. Good morning. Ooh, we got some good numbers this morning. Welcome, Lions. I'm Mandalo. If you have not met me yet before, this is not KIMBA Face Docs. We had a good conversation about that yesterday. Yeah. PSG, stand up. Yes, AI. Yeah, I'm the AI that you get when you take a picture of a baby and it shows you what you're going to look like when you're 80. But that's what crypto will do to you, right? Yeah, Buzzcree. Yeah, Cage wins. Good morning, Fredward. Yeah. I got the voice scrambler from my ransom requests. Maestro. Indo Lion. Deneth. GM. Lil X. Yeah, the AI voices are pretty crazy. Yeah, The telemarketers, I mean, they're gonna get you. It's nuts. Yeah, Zerniot. Cage, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. How many people have been trying out CoinWise indicators? I've been freaking loving them. I played a little bit more with them last night. Who's juicing on some giveaways? Yeah. Exclamation dashboard. If you missed it, there's gonna be giveaways all morning, I think. Yeah, that's what he was saying. I hear word. Yeah, Kimba's not back yet, but hopefully I can hold it down. Yeah, we had a pretty nice little identified level yesterday, didn't we? Shoutouts to you, Theory. Yeah, which one's your favorite? I like TPO PvP the best. It's just got so many different things like all mixed into one. It's amazing. Yeah, but all of them are juice. Yeah, the divergences is pretty sick too. You can like kind of tailor it to whatever you want. Yeah, you get like CVD, RSI, like a lot of different oscillators. You can kind of plug your own in. I'm not smart enough for all that, but I like CVD and RSI and stuff. Yeah. It's not that I'm not smart enough, I don't think. It's more that I just don't take the time to do it. Yeah. Yeah, I got my regular things that I use and pretty much stick with the essentials. You know what I mean? And having tools that put things together, incredible. Yeah, they got some big things coming. Big things coming on the education side too. So shout outs to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. Check out the pin. Of course, check out the dashboard. Shout outs to the exchanges. Was it BLOFIN this morning? I think so. Shout outs to all the exchanges though. BLOFIN, KCEX. Yeah, shout outs to BLOFIN. Much love, Bobby Toxic Pedals. WEEX. BTCC. Yeah. Ace, good morning. Seco. Yeah, shout outs to BLOFIN. I'm an enjoyer. And Mandalo, exclamation dashboard. Yeah, I can't be hoeing and not show all of our exchanges. MEXC, I was like loving MEXC. Exclamation VPN. But do your own research. Exclamation Palau. Exclamation tools. Okay, exclamation. Let's get to the charts. We got 19 minutes until US market open. I think we need a prediction. How are we feeling today? Anybody juicing up overnight? Yeah, Wadsworth is dead. How you doing? Oh no, Bono, good morning. Yeah, we'll take a look at XRP. Who was it that was shouting out, what was it, MYX yesterday? What in the hell? Yeah, that's the biggest scam since TRB, huh? Wow. I said it was a cartel coin. Did you, Fredward? Yeah, I bought it at 5 cents and I just like took profits. Yeah, Wiztard. Dude, I saw somebody like post that if they bought it at 5 cents, 10 grand worth was worth like $3 million or some stupid shit like that. Unbelievable. That's alt season for you. That's really those little small cap scam coins, but man, they really captured a big market cap very quickly, huh? We'll take a look at it in a few minutes. Let's just see what's going on with the juice in our levels. You know, kind of the area that we were looking at on S&P coming up into, oh, kind of coming up into that area of resistance, the little order block up here. Breaking, you know, the 65 hundo. Yeah, somewhere around here. That's kind of pretty natural. And then that was a TPO POC. Swing fail it with your sweep. Yeah, clean this little consolidation right here. I'm not really that big of a fan of this. That's a gap right there as well. You got settlement down there. But we got our TPO POC for today down here. Oh, that's yesterday's. That was 2 days ago. That was last week. Yep. Yeah, but hold all this, hold the point of control for today, value area low, you know, maybe a swing fail down here. It's not a very big range, it's like 20 points, 30 points. Yeah, probably want to like hold this. Monthly settlement, retest maybe. It's a whole lot of juice down there. Yeah, this is all combined, so you might see like a few little things all kind of put together. That's your previous week VLOOP. Wait, monthly VWAP? I don't know. Yeah, oh, that's 2 weeks ago VWAP. It still is pretty important down there structurally as well, though. Yep. And that is monthly VWAP down there. So let's hold it. Yeah, so definitely an area of interest for that. You know, maybe a little swing play off the point of control. These are weak up here. Who's playing BTCC or any other of the... If any of you are playing ES, S&P, TradFi, you probably don't need to watch this analysis. But it's, even when you know what you're doing, sometimes it's nice to like see ideas from a different perspective. Sometimes it's just to confirm, sometimes it's just be like, this dude doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about, right? Owners, how are you doing? Latisse. Danny Bolat, shout outs to you, brother. Thank you so much. What a Chad. Love you, bud. Yeah, Ace. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning. It's afternoon for you, though, isn't it? Mr. Larry's. PSG. Stand up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Acton, was it you that was telling us about Mix yesterday? What in the hell? Yeah, that's so funny, man. I hope you juiced. I hope you juiced. That was hilarious. That's this, I mean, that's discovery. You don't know. And just trailing stops if you like luck out and get in the green on those, right? Damon. Yeah, we got a couple minutes. Do I have the prediction up? I do. Okay, get your predictions in. I'm gonna pull up a mix chart just for the lulz. Anybody actually want to see it? Dang, Fredward, let's go. Yeah, we need to get some hype. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's have a giveaway. F this noise. Let's get some giveaways up in here. Right? Let's fire that thing off. Damon, Maestro, let's go, let's go. Wrong person. MEXC 83, good morning. Hope you're doing well. MYX. We're gonna look at perps just to have it even scammier. Oh, it's dumping. It's dumping. It's still like from when we TA'd it. 120%, something like that. What in the world? Why does it want to stick? There we go. 130% right now. Juice. I didn't tell you to short it, I tell you that. Did I? Good morning, Cowboy Surfer. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Exclamation giveaway. Let's get it, get it, get it. Exclamation dashboard if you're not registered for our exchanges, specifically BLOFIN right now. You got 3 minutes. Hurry up. It really takes like 0 time. You don't have to deposit. It's just registering so we have a wallet that can accept the voucher. Yeah, but give it a try. Give it a try. Yeah, our exchanges are nice. Yeah, let's go. Exclamation nerd outs. Let's go, Ace. Thank you. Big cheers. Big cheers. Insulin bench. Yeah, juice up. Oh, what are we doing here? It's 30 minutes. We got a consolidation. I mean, like, right at the point of control. Hold this range. I mean, it looked like it wanted to hold $10 somehow. We did like a 10.618 extension, right? A 50.618 extension, a 61.8% extension. I did. This thing was fucked up. There's no other way to put it. If you want to have the whole intellectual analysis, there's no real intellect to this one. But some of the scalpers, some of those breakout scam coin momentum traders, they might be able to say a thing or two about that refute my claims. But yeah, there are these opportunities every once in a while if you can recognize them early. It's juice. Like Fredward's juicing his ass off. Let's get it. Ponyo. Exclamation nerdouts. Let's get it. BLOFIN giveaway if you're registered for the dashboard. If you're not, we'll get there. Exclamation dashboard. Exclamation giveaways. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Juice up. Juice out. Juice up on KIMBA. Shorting Trilogy, Ross Ivan, Debote, Crypto Conscious. Good morning over on YouTube. Did you hear me chicken pecking? Pumper Yarix. Let's get it. Congratulations to the winners. Okay. Looks like Burbeezy, Joopy, wrong person, Ponyo. Maybe a Band-Aid, got you. 8 years, bro. Fez, Roth Z, Monday. Congratulations. Let's go. Roth Z, are you for real? You won more on BLOFIN than I have on all the giveaways put together. To be fair, I haven't entered a giveaway in a little while, but man, that's juice. Congrats. Congrats. If you missed out on this giveaway, I think we're going to have some more. We might have a few more today. And make sure that you register in the dashboard. Exclamation dashboard. It's BLOFIN, but, you know, just to be safe, I mean, it's not that big a deal. You can do it like, I don't have to tell you how to register for an exchange. It takes like 3 minutes. And if you can win $100 from each one of them, like, I mean, why not? That's juice. You might even find like the UI on one of them you really like. And talk in the Discord. Exclamation Discord. See what other people prefer to trade on. Yeah, a lot of them are no VPN required, no KYC. So juice up. Hopefully you can 10x it. We've had some people that have turned that into big, big dollars. And for some people, that is big, big dollars. It is for me. Lord of mercy, I got a baby and a just turned 3-year-old and a wife who likes to have nice things. And we still take care of our family too, so, you know, I'm love rich and cash poor. But I mean, my life is not empty. Much love to the KIMBA gang. Got a lot of love there too. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you all for supporting each other. It's an amazing community. Join the Discord. You know, talk to each other. We all have a lot to give. And it's not about just getting. It's about giving and helping your fellow lions. Right? Absolutely. Exclamation, everyone. Shout out Mrs. Mandalo. Yep, shout out Baby Mandalo. Shout out Baby Mandalo V2. Even though he's like he kind of sucks right now. I'm just kidding. He just doesn't like to let us sleep. He was sick last night. It was a bummer. We don't need to look at MEXC any longer. Like, I would strongly recommend not even looking at the chart. I can't do it. I don't have it in me, but I've been there. Do not full port this thing. You take a shot at $9. Yeah, maybe like clean some of this. Maybe like this little level right here, if it makes it. It's holding the consolidation and the point of control though. Yep, and TPO value area low, it's volume. You know, it's, you get some volume up here. You could get a little bounce. I mean, a couple dollar bounce is juice. Even if, I mean, that high isn't the greatest either, but like, let's see if I can even pull it up. And this is like one of the funniest scams that I remember on like a big cap or a bigger cap. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to go that far back, but I can go on like I did it like a few weeks ago, I think. But it was like New Year's Eve in 2023. I wonder if it'll get that far back. I know all the oscillators and stuff won't. They have like their own amount of candles that they can calculate. This thing was fucking hilarious. These are all coins for you though, especially the smaller ones, especially like the ones on Binance Smart Chain. Good morning, Bugs. How you doing? Cuco Deliciosa. I'm a VWAP. Hating the New York lock, Lapide. Is it on this one? Yeah, I had the UTC on the other one. There you go. Sorry. I usually have it in UTC, but some of my old chart, this is an old chart. Some of them are still like defaulted. I don't, like my clock in this room is like just kind of died and keeping track. Oh, ding, 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 right? US market open, let's go. Yeah, okay, so I'll just quickly show this and then we'll click it over and see what's happening. Yeah, this 2-hour chart. Yep, little grind up from $200 and in like an afternoon it juiced up to $555 and then immediately nuked all the way back to sweep all those levels. So like 555 to 165 in one 2-hour candle. 156 something. Yeah, that one was hilarious. I actually traded this one. That's partially how I can remember it. Yeah, and then it chopped around. I mean, even like a bounce right here, $120 to $220 in a 2-hour candle. That was a juice couple of days. Yep. And now where is it? 36 bucks. Yeah, you can look at a lot of those altcoins. Throw some examples up if you have any good ideas of them. I'll turn a couple of the additional things off so you can see it clean. what we identified yesterday. Pixel touch to the trend line. I have not moved this chart since I drew that trend line. Pretty sick. And then kind of like what we were talking about, a possible scenario was holding that bad high. It's inevitable, but it's just a matter of when, right? We held VWAP today. They had a real juice move overnight, you know, really off of the London session open. You know, been seeing that quite frequently. Yep. And then still kind of serving as resistance. That previous month point of control once again having some importance. You know, the more consolidation that you have right under a level, if they hold it. Yeah, Trump was crazy too, Acton. Lapid. The top left corner. Oh. Oh, because it's hiding stuff. Yeah, it looks cool. It looks cool. Yeah, noted. Noted. He'll learn your lesson shorted, Dre. Yeah, I feel ya. Il Pasoto, shout outs to you. Thank you for the reminder. Are we 5 minutes in yet? Almost. Yeah, let's look over at CME. There we go. Sorry for your mind melt for all my screens. We don't need that anymore. That was just for fun to kind of identify why that was resistance. Still holding VWAP. Weekly VWAP. And settlement. Settlement retest. On S&P. Let's try and get this profile so we have a little bit more like closer to where the bottom is. Holding value area high since those lows. Still above that point of control. And ETH. VWAP. Let's quick head over to RTH and see how we look in. Nice little gap up. Yep, never filled the gap yesterday on RTH. Let's have another one. Stat gaps. It's bullish until it's not. Yeah, and so we start having some exhaustion, but the volume has been down a little bit to start the week. It's kind of natural on CPI week. We got some big numbers coming up. And PPI is tomorrow. CPI Thursday. We got FOMC next week. 8 days. Who's ready for rate cuts? What's that percentage probability for rate cuts? Focus on Sol now. Yeah, we'll check it out. Space Blob, shout outs to you. Tershad. Grimes. Tivinal. Time to break this 113? Maybe. Maybe it's at the tip right now. %, 99%, 69% in my book. Right? 420%. 100%, but how many of them? Right. Exclamation boo gammas. I have too many YouTube accounts. I can't even show it on screen right now. There is some pretty big boo gammas up there, though. Right above us. Yep. Yep, but right where we are, it's pretty even distribution. Shout out to all the TradFi enjoyers. 10% for a 50-point cut? I don't know. Yeah, I think that that's probably accurate for that low a probability. Maybe a band-aid. Shouts to you, brother. You been to the beach house lately? My man has a setup. Yeah, Fredward. Joopy, you got a giveaway, didn't you? Congrats. 2 weeks ago. Yeah. I haven't had much beach or anything time. I showed PSG the surf park that they just opened up near me. I managed to steal an hour a couple weeks ago. My buddy is like always, like every couple days, he's like, dude, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm going again, I'm going again. I'm like, man, I gotta work, I gotta work. It's my parents' 50th anniversary. Nah, it's Mrs. Mandalo's birthday. Nah, the baby's sick. Like, getting old, it's not all it's cracked up to be. Wait my whole life to live somewhere with good waves, and then they have to go ahead and do it after I'm old. What are you gonna do? Bed watch. Let's go. Maybe a band-aid. Are you gonna be there? Are you gonna do some of the work? I got some experience with construction. We were doing some building for a while. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fun until you have to like swing hammers. And even that's pretty fun for like the first hour. How many of you have ever done something like that? Some like construction stuff. I know Buzzo has. Shout outs to Buzz. There's a couple people we've been talking about with it. Nice waves. I know Bugs. I need to get over there. Yeah. Yeah, I hear you, Round Trippa. It's a cool name. Castillo, how are you doing? Yeah, looking good so far. Yeah, we said be cautious of the trend line break though. It's unadjusted. I think because I set that in a different time frame. There we go. It's RTH ETH gaps indicator. It's pretty sweet. Like we're trading up into that previous gap once again. That's a fill gap. That looks pretty cool. Shows you where it was. They're not really relevant after their fill, but it's still nice to see that was an area for like back testing and stuff. Yeah, the candle's blue because it's initial balance. And that's something we've talked about a little bit. I know PSG's nerded out hard on it. I made a video about it in the past. Yeah, Cowboy Surfer. Is there any waves where you live? I know you're on the West Coast. I've seen some pretty cool spots in your state, but you have like the sound, like what is it, the sound up there and everything. It looks sharky up there and cold and rainy. I'll stick to my swimming pool and warm water. There's always like a little downside to surfing, but you know, this isn't a surfing stream. Do it, do it, do it. Since you met your grandson, you became a better person. It's true. It's true. Kids, grandkids, whatever the case is, it can be truly life-changing. Oh my gosh, we're going naked without music? How did you not say anything? We're going raw dog without any tunes and hearing me talk about surfing and life reflections. Ugh. Houston, what's that Candlelights one? I want to hear that. Where's the background sound effect? I don't have a soundboard either. Is music playing? Can you hear it? Is music playing? Can you hear it? Yeah. Let's go. More. Oh, can I get a catch-oi boo-boo, yeah? Shout out to you, Curvies. Catch-oi boo-boo, yeah? I can't talk. Double voice. Shit. How's it now? Any better? Got it. See, because I had monitor on the Twitch stream, making sure that I didn't sound messed up until I turned that music on. Alright, I got it. I got it. It's a learning curve. Big shout outs to Houston, Cage, KIMBA, of course. There is a lot of things going on running this spaceship we call Laquania KTV. Right? Yeah. For real, Cage. For real. Hermesin for BZ, I'm like Wrangler jeans in. But we got Hermes mentality, right? Hermes state of mind. Yeah, we got the gold rims. Pipeline. That god darn trend line, huh? Quit playing with me. Delete the line. Settings exactly for CoinWise levels. I mean, I can display it. Oh, whoops. I always say that too. I like, after I say having a child, you get these habits of saying like kid talk. Whoopsies. Yeah, I hear it. Latisse. Is this levels? I don't even know. There we go. I had the combines lines. It just is cleaner to display on stream. Daily open, previous day EQ. I like previous week instead of current week for the other point of controls. And I haven't even tinkered with the custom time frame things, but then I'll put the settlements in there. Yeah, and on my just regular Coinbase chart, I have TDO, True Daily Open, for midnight New York, and I just have it like marked for the session open. But that's something we'll nerd out on in the future. PSG, stand up. I know that you know what I'm talking about. For Julie, round trip. Latisse, Mercal, how are you doing? Baratina, I don't think I shouted you out yet. Big cheers. And your kid is 12? Like, yeah, it just sticks with you. How about when they start talking cute and then they don't say it anymore and you still talk like that? Yeah. That's like Kachoya. Jaskier. I'm trying to brainwash her into like saying stuff wrong still though. Yep. Yeah, there's a lot of things down there. You're gonna hit the 112. Yeah, you probably don't want that gap fill at those lows because you got bad lows now. Dip the tip is good. Yeah, previous week point of control, daily open somewhere down here. This is RTH, but ETH still is trading, so we'll see. We'll see. I kind of like that. If it was going to hold anything. Will you do this already? How many lines did it put in the wrong place? Juice and vibes we elevate. Juice and vibes and we elevate. Look at that pixel retest on the point of control. Nice. From the hustle to the top we rise. Nice, nice, nice. For breakout of value area or previous value area, you want 2 candle closes at least, don't you? Stacking paper reaching for the skies. Yep. Cowboy Surfer for real. I don't know, man. Like, I had a dog and I lost him like as I was building my current house, and like right as we were finishing up, we got a new dog, and like, I mean, I built it, so I like did it all, you know, pretty nice for myself at the time, like kind of overdid it, but then my dog just fucking ruined everything. So I love him, but it's like a big catch-away. Good morning, Coke Zero. How are you doing, brother? Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is the complainer stream, isn't it? I'm just the old man that complains. Let's get some juice going. We live in nice. Life is good. Yeah, we identified some levels down below. 133? Maybe? 133? I didn't know that was a level. Is that like on Korean won? Big cheers. Yeah, we were looking at that. That god dang trend line's been holding though, hadn't it? They're really stacking the cards, or stacking up the dominoes, right? I can imagine there's quite a bit of liquidity. Exclamation YouTube, check out the live book map, and high block. What's the plan for sweep? I don't know if it's going to be a sweep. Yeah, go boo. Piece by piece. Yeah, I guess we're getting closes over there, turn into support. We kind of talked about the plan for that if it makes it up there. Wait to see if it's a swing fail or if it starts to consolidate with closes above that bad high. Bad weak high. Like, we all know what I'm talking about now. I had a nerd out on it on Friday. And we come up here. How does this keep moving my line? This is the second time on stream that I just moved that. What are they doing? They're playing with me. Yeah, we were looking at this as like a possible resistance zone up through here as well, but you know, we're kind of buying back that little sell candle. So, let's go. Green dildo today. We can listen to that song. You guys want to hear it? This is how I got on stream. So like, make sure you write some good lyrics. We have a talent show today, don't we? Exclamation dashboard for the full stream schedule. Got a talent show. You can juice up. You know, that's a pure giveaway. Pure giveaway. It has nothing to do if you won this morning, you win the talent show this afternoon. Like, you're double juicing. You counter trade me and you're triple juicing. Let's go. Sand 3. Move KIMBA logo to top right. I have no control over that, but that's not a bad idea. Over the top of the agger. I kind of don't want to do that while... Oh, do you just want to see more screen? You want agger gone? You all have agger for free. Exclamation agger. It takes up a lot of real estate. It's giving you something. There's nothing on the chart up there though. Is it just too bright? It's actually not that bad to move agger. I know you do. Maybe a band-aid. That's what I have on like a separate screen all the time. I just have like the agger chart with like some of my custom settings. I know you have some juice settings on yours. The ticker's up there though. I can't even see it. Oops. Yeah, I won't even show it. Exclamation YouTube. I think that in that layout is not showing. If it's really bothering you, the Mandalo YouTube one doesn't have that layout, I don't think. Wait. Yeah. The market open with Mandalo day 2. If it's really bugging you. I'm not trying to like send you away from Twitch, but you know, that's a solution. Yeah, the template isn't an overlay there. Shout out Nico. Thank you, Bobby Taco Pedals. I don't know if the music's playing over there though. Yeah, shout outs Buzzo. Say cheers for weed, chicken milkshake. Yeah, exclamation XO, exclamation Boogamas. It does have the music, Unleash King. Good morning. Yeah, but we gotta have some music. Sounds a bit lower. Yeah, it's somehow it's fed through the servers or whatever. I couldn't even say it like right if I wanted to. I just know that the protocol for all the things in the spaceship to hit in the right order, and then hopefully it works. We were doing all kinds of IT. Chad was helping me with yesterday. You saw it. I told you, man, like I have one of those flip phones that had the super big buttons just so I can see the numbers. Shout out to Damon. Sorry. I didn't figure that out. I had so many windows open though, and it's like, yeah, there we go. Yeah, Coke Zero, if you're still here, we were talking about, and I don't know if you saw it yesterday, but we looked at that trend line for all those weak highs. We got single prints above us too. But we had identified this area. We identified that when we were down here, and it kind of played out. I mean, if anybody took it, like, that wasn't too bad. It held those lows. Keep on making higher lows, higher highs. It's looking pretty good so far. Pushing upwards, consolidating under resistance, and still making higher lows is a good sign. And then we discussed, I mean, we lost a little bit of open interest there, and some longs. Yeah, that little, what was that, 7:30? Something happened. It just lost that little consolidation of those lows. Briefly, you know, probably triggered some trailing stops for those London traders. Tyler, good morning. How are you? Yeah, take a look at ETH. We'll look at Sol also. 886618 rotation. Yeah, I think it was. I think it was on like the maybe like the 4 hour. It actually was like a 914. Let's see. Right here, right there. We stacking up them racks, 6 figures turning 7. Ain't no looking back. We the market makers, we run these scenes. Yeah, that's what we were talking about on Friday or Saturday, and then on the retrace held the 886. Yeah, basically the 618. It was like more like the 05. Here's a 4 hour chart. Nerding out together, talking big moves, we gon' rise like the weather. KIMBA's the lion, true king of the pride. Showing all the fam, we got nothing to hide. We the market makers, we run these scenes. Flexing in our Bugattis, living like kings and queens. KIMBA gangs the squad. How did this get all skewed up? Never settling down, ambition intertwined. Luxurious preparation meets opportunity. TradingView's doing some shenanigans. It's either that or just don't know how to work it. Yeah, 886. All, I mean, yeah. Pretty nice. Held it. Pixel. So fucking it is. Biffum, good morning. How are you? Help me! Help me, help me, help me! Eyes quiet, yes. Turn off the music for the YouTube. I can't directly control individual sides. I'm very sorry. Is it playing on all of the streams? How's the volume in Twitch? I just lowered the volume a little bit. Is that too much? I wouldn't really... Personally, I'm not that aggressive for that many bad highs. But that's a pretty convincing sell candle. Is there some news that just dropped? Yeah, Bethlehem, I hope everything's going well. Is the sound messed up now? Did I help it at all? It's good for you. Thanks, Wiztard. Who was saying that? Ooh. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Juice, 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 juice. Quit playing with me, Bugatti! Math is the math. Iran, yep. They revised it. Imagine that. Shout out Gucci Mane. KIMBA is away, Cody. Shout outs to you. KIMBA's away, so the Lion Cubs are playing. Big cheers. Hopefully you can get entertained, get a little bit out of this. Yeah, thank you, Cody. Big cheers. Hope everything's going well. Let's see if I can do this a little bit smoother. A little bit. Oof. Right to the PSC though. I think we even said something about that, didn't we? I don't know. The math is the math. Good morning, Twitch and Greg. How are you doing? Add another 100k. Yeah. Imagine that. You know, juice it and then... never mind. It's got to be testnet. VWAP, you wanted to hold this weekly VWAP on CME. S&P is having a little Darth Maul. Still holding VWAP also though. Help me! It does gotta be testnet. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Is that value area high and a value area low and one candle in 6 minutes? Did I ever pay out the points? Yeah, no kidding. Chicken milkshake. Basic. That's it's daily, weekly, monthly, and then I have like a custom pull, and it's the divide by 3. We ain't doing this for nothing. Blood, sweat, tears, whole lot of high low close. If you ain't willing to lose it all, you ain't built for this. Yeah, on levels you have the VWAPs, as well, and you can customize like the calculation. I like the divide by 3. But you can do whatever you like. In smaller time frames, it doesn't make a huge difference, but over time it will for like the higher time frame ones. Oh! Ooh. Yeah, I don't have the smooth agar of KIMBA, but it's not that bad. Damon. Big cheers, Cody. So Guru, easy. Look at that. Every dollar made was a risk, ain't no safety. Look me in my eyes, tell me what you see. A soul full of scars, but a heart full of G's. Yeah, 05 rejection. Yikes. And it did sweep that local, like, by a pixel, I think. Pressure make diamonds, I was built from the stone. You ain't working like me to stay the fuck off the throne. That's all they need. If I didn't want to make sure I didn't miss this, let's just see. And I think this is the one that I have. No, one of them I had configured for. Oh, because it's for RTH. Simple as that. If you ain't sacrificing something, you ain't want it bad enough. I don't know what ticks I have. Real ones know. Stay silent, stay hungry. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, even with $50 rows. Yeah, yeah. Who Juiciest? KIMBA gang. $50 or $60 rows usually works pretty well. But I was just looking at that high right here. You still have a sweep. SMP help me. Look at that. And it cleaned. We're gonna have some action this week. PPI. Yeah, Chexter. Probably. Perfect timing, almost perfect timing. It just is lucky like that. It's rejecting the level again. I mean, we were kind of talking about this level down here, and it's like golden pocket, I think. Pretty close. Yeah, the VWAP's holding, especially during session. Yeah, Pixel. Pixel. Yeah, point of control for the range. But I think that's something that you had to like not just dive in just yet or be already ready for. Yeah, Maestro, Mark, Jay Becker. Yeah, if it starts like closing below the pointy controls, closing below VWAP, I would probably sit on my hands until either that is reclaimed or until the lows are swept. Just a local lows, not like the big like 107 low. I think it's going to. Shout outs to you, Chauncey. Much love. Whole lot of damn juice. Ace, right? Big cheers, Chauncey. How are you doing this morning? Meat porn. Oh yeah. That was like a thing on crypto Twitter like a while back, like pre-rich. How about that? Hit him with the D. I think that's the next song, actually. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah. Can I get a TL? 2L, 1L. Wait, I don't even know how to, like, say it, but I know how to write it. Exclamation, 2 letters, 1 word. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. This song is so juice. Yeah, S&P doesn't give a It's Honey Badger. Burgets. Mark. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Calling noob. Let's go. Insistence. Shoutouts to you. So Guru. Bugs. Yeah. Let's see where all this goes. Moon. Yeah, a lot of hype coming into next week. We got a big hype day today. I'm not going to be with you all day, but we have some excitement later this afternoon. Check the exclamation dashboard for when the talent show is coming on. That's going to be juicy. Alright, Burp Easy. Have a good workout. Juice up. Much love. Mighty T, man. Big cheers. This song's fire. Raptorus, you.
Turn it up, feel it rise. 2 letters, 1 word, hypnotize. Yeah. No limits, let it go. Choose the profits now, let it flow. 2 letters, 1 word, meaning of life. Letters, profits, keep it tight.
Glenn, how are you? My boy, I'm just like vibing to the song. Petrus. That was absolutely juice pouring in the cup and not any other kind of bubble action, was it? Biff 'em. Let me chart that. One moment, I apologize. Yeah. Okay, so you want to? I promised ETH too. I'm just a liar. This got to be testnet. Biffum, you want to see it on like Coinbase, or you want to see it on here? Are you trading CME? Kachoy. Okay. I don't even think I had to ask. Of course he's trading CME. Yeah, we're aware of these stacked weak highs. Little swing fail locally, but just have a lot of liquidity up above. I would say it would have to happen during RTH. We want to close up above 114. If it's not already doing it, I mean, we have kind of like that flush action that you like to see before it pumps. We got 15 or 13 minutes to tuck back in. It's gonna look a little bit better. We got 13 minutes to tuck back in, and I'm not talking about the trend line. That was just like for marking the highs previously. I think that was, I don't even remember doing that today. But we're holding VWAP, holding daily open. I'm charting ETH, holding the point of control. All things are pointing to, oh, and previous day point of control for TPO. So closing back as a swing fail right here is a positive sign for taking out some of those. That's kind of your, I mean, basically daily open. We need to tuck back in. All right, so let's look above. Oh, it's just for, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, monthly VWAP will be resistance if it makes it up there. If we close that whole gap, like, I mean, I'm not just looking for 117 because that's a pretty important level. But then we have kind of like some stuff up here. So like if it wasn't going to close that whole gap, and it's an RTH gap too, so you see it in ETH, you kind of get a full picture, but 116 could be an interesting thing. Alright, I'm gonna open up the other chart because I have like all these extra indicators I don't want to like tinker around with too much for your Coinbase. No more stress, just manifest. Say we juicing from the left to the right. See my charts, they be looking too nice. Let us stack and I'm on, no lie. Trade that, flip that, take flight. Who juicing? Who juicing? KIMBA gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. This isn't for single prints or anything. It's just to kind of get more candles on the screen or more historical. Yeah, again, you have, and I think that is a single print up here, but you have monthly VWAP structurally in a similar place to CME, just like price wise it's quite different. Mayraga, how are you doing? Yeah, I'll chart ETH after this too. Any of you ETH enjoyers. You're looking at that as like golden pocket, or is it 7.5? Chilling on an island sky high. No stress, we just get by. I did cruise, no time for lose. No way. Life too short, make I choose. More proforts, more moves, more juice. KIMBA gang, we don't snooze. We up. Chance they move, I they ride my wave. No fake love, only real ones stay. Hey. Making money in 1,000 ways. Hey. If no big gains, then no delay. Nah. I've done this quite a bit, but it's just like this chart isn't marked up. So everything before we lost, like, really lost it. KIMBA gang, who flexing, KIMBA gang. KIMBA gang, we no stressing now, we no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts. No regrets, just play my part. Counting blessings, stacking profits. Get the 05, you got monthly VWAP, like kind of right up there. The entire range from where we broke out all the way until we lost it again. Value area low. And it just wants to anchor to anything randomly. And then that's even without like our daily and other TPO naked pointing controls and volume pointing controls. Now, that's not saying to short that. I will kind of come to a thesis after you see me like kind of put all the levels together. You see KIMBA do this sometimes, but you don't always get to kind of get the whole thought process behind it. And, you know, I guess technically this is a nerd out, even though we just got the vibes. And we got the scaler on just for the nerd out vibes, right? So we have a naked point of control. We got a naked point of control right in that box too. Wait, I need to get the volume one. Is that the right one? Yeah, previous month TPO point of control. So that kind of little cluster right there kind of supports your whole swing fail narrative to me. So like through here we had TPO, volume, naked points of control, previous month TPO point of control, even before making it back inside that all-time highs range. Yeah, delete the box. I'm not saying that, but that supports kind of the narrative, maybe single print grab like that. If it were to swing fail, or you know, even close the single print, that thing's been held and tested quite a bit. But you could also have like the type of scenario, and you can just, you know, imagine this with out all the candles and all the extra indicators. I'll get rid of this. Wait, what was that? Oh, that was just a level. So it, you know, we're kind of thinking that if we get this closed in a few minutes here, you know, that it's a swing fail, kind of come up, take out this trend line and all these weak highs. Is it going to be a swing fail into that single print further? Is it going to be a failed auction? Oh, it's a head and shoulders. Like that's kind of more like, because it's pretty far, it's like $1,000, but we have so much. We've had a few of those $1,000 plus candles, even like in the 15 or 30 minute lately. But more appropriately, I think you want to watch out for this somewhere around here, like holding that if it does break it. Coke Zero, I think like if we sweep the bad lows, especially if it sweeps all of them in like a real wick, even if it's like, I don't know, maybe even these, I'd say that would give us like the fuel. But going into, you kind of don't want to go back into the range. You keep it one-sided if you want higher. I just don't know how sustainable it would be to take out the all-time high. Yeah. But kind of like consolidate up here, grind, take out some of that other business, and then you have plenty more up above us. Yeah, because that's bad. That's not all that great. I know I have a lot on here. I don't want to get rid of the VWAPs.
When the drones start flying, where you at? When the charts get wild, can you last?
But there's a lot of single prints and everything up above. Yeah, open interest is pretty good. We've been stopping out some longs on this little retracement too. Still have a lot of longs up here. A lot of shorts too. Yeah, I tried to like set it up that I could flash XO, but it was like giving me a little bit of a pain. This morning I might have it good for tomorrow, but exclamation XO, you can check it on YouTube. Biffum, to get that 116 and higher, my opinion would be to just get above this and start to get some closes. You kind of thinking the same thing? George Norris, how you doing? Toya, how you doing? Yeah, I'm not saying that it's gonna make it up there. I want you to juice. I want all the lions to juice. I'm just looking for what would, in my opinion, what would we need to make it there. I don't know if anything like major is going to happen before next week. If it does, it might be like Monday or Tuesday leading into FOMC. It could just be like just more range play, or maybe just like maybe that's what kind of like takes us there, and it just kind of chops around in this whole zone after we break from this. Chops around in this whole zone, maybe grinds up a little bit more. You get the announcement, we get a big green dildo and question mark, does it hold or not? Does it have enough behind it to take out those all-time highs? I want to think higher. I want to think higher. I want it to go higher. That's not the best look, though. I guess you can argue that that was a close above, but like that engulfment, I mean, that's why we came all the way back down. Oh, it closed? Yeah, I'm just looking at this. I'll go back over CME really fast. This one did the same thing. I'm not a bear. No. 6 Sierra. Yeah, I hear you. I like that. I need to chart ETH too. Let's get back over to current. Yeah, they gotta kinda, you know, September is not like always the best month. You're not even in right now, Coke. Shouts to you, 6 Sierra. Good morning. Good afternoon. Big cheers. DJ White, how are you doing? DJ White, that kind of is something to read about on historical patterns, but all events are unique. You know, the amount of things that are going on simultaneously. Yeah, I was too. Coke. I've been still waiting. It's been 83 years. Or however, whatever this says. Aim Talks, how are you? I know. Especially with all those weak levels, if it's gonna happen, like that would be one that you have more confidence with. Right? Oh! 19 Turbo. Dude. Shouts to you, brother. Now you're Docs, though, dude. That's his, alias. Ross Z. Yeah, it would be. Are you saying this is? On Coinbase, it didn't. You're talking about on CME Coke? It closed above it. Yep, and that's the drawn anchor VWAP. You still hold that. And it's still holding the golden pocket. Now it's forming a bad low. Oh, a poor low. If you want to use the correct terminology. Yeah, I'm doing this one that has single prints and then it's just all the volume levels. Uh-oh. Yeah, you got some Arval on that. A little bit more. One chart open, no panic here. They want clout, but I want gear. Laptop piece, no noise near. We they juicing like it's ritual. Profit they come, it's habitual. KIMBA gang sound spiritual. They know if you copy this original. Let's go, 6 Sierra. Big cheers. It did another bad high. I know, dude. What in the world? Quit playing with me. It's manipulation. Fuck me, manipulation, man. Oh. Yeah, I want to go to ETH and Sol, but this is juicy. Yeah, there's your TDO. PDEQ. Good morning, Luxlayer. Do you, boo-boo? Yeah. Kachoya. Kachoya. Just really quick. Oh my. I'm in. How many times are they gonna hold this? At this point, we just lost all that. We need to tuck back in here if you want like any chance. I could see a swing fail down here and still hold that low. But we were charting this the other day. Also, yeah, I definitely gotta hold that. For ETH. That could be an interesting swing fail though. It's not like the swing fail, but tucking back in. You still got that too. And then they have so many bad highs also. It's just like, when did I draw that box? Did I draw it yesterday? Lord of mercy. It's doing the same thing. It just it's gonna fall Bitcoin. 6 years juicing. Look at that. Yeah, break that. These altcoins just love this stuff. I am, yeah. Shouts to you, Buzzo. Yep, KIMBA's not doxed yet. Exclamation rewind, exclamation YouTube. We were kind of like going through that. I'll go through it again. Let's go, 6 Sierra. GG's. Let's go. Big cheers. That's a good afternoon for you. I think you're not in the US. That's amazing. Fire Slayer, let's get it. Hey Therna. Yeah. That's juice. Yeah, failed auction. Yeah, right back in the range. Watch out. Watch out below. You probably still hold that, but for your sake. 220 is a pretty big level. We marked it over the weekend in our little nerd out. There's like a high over here. That's why there's a single print right above us. And they held it. And that has been a big level. Oh man. 6 Sierra, shouts to you. I'm sure that your penthouse and your Bugatti has some great air conditioning, but yeah, walking outside, that is brutal. It's starting to chill off for us in September here. We're starting to feel a little bit of the autumn weather, but it was like 90 over the weekend. We did some pool things. Big shout outs to Dubai. Anybody else in Dubai? It's in Dubai. Haroon, how are you? Yeah, juice up, man. Juice up. I'd love to see the Lions juicing. 6 Sierra, much love. Yeah, let's go back to BTC. Yeah, we'll proper chart it in a little bit. When I'm wrapping up, I want to see what what happens. I was only going to go until like 11 today, but let's see what happens here. If it is like really pushing those lows, you know, I might be able to squeeze in a little bit longer. I got meetings stacked up. Too much juice, Unleash King. Yeah. Previous week VWAP, I kind of like some of these areas down here if it keeps going, but if it tucks back up into value area low, it's not that bad. What is it? It's a 786? It'll probably tuck back up if it gets there inside the golden pocket. Yep. How many of you can eyeball it like that? KIMBA is like amazing. He's like, oh, that must be like the 926 or something. That must be it's 40 Celsius. Oh, brutal. That's like melting your swimming pool. Dude, I know, like when it's that hot, you can't even keep water in your pool. You gotta keep filling it. I mean, I'm sorry, having your servants fill it, right? I don't have a pool, but talking from clap clap. Jeeves, go fill up the pool. I shouldn't have to tell you these things. The water is 2 inches lower than it's supposed to be. The goddamn infinity edge isn't working. That is super gnarly. Yeah, for real. Do they have misters everywhere? Like Vegas? There's a lag? Aim talks? What froze? The music or me? Shit. I just had like a hardline ran. I just had a hardline ran. Hopefully it's better than it was before. It is windy as hell here though. This is hurricane season. I thought hurricane season was over. Shout outs Pineapple Express. But yeah, it's like stormy a lot here this time of year. And so like despite having good connections in the house, even if that's the case, then Biffum, where do you live in a effing oven? Holy shit, dude. I didn't know that it could get that hot. Yeah, for real, Kareem. He was typing that as I was saying it. That's amazing. Let's go, Kareem. There's many ways to suffer in life. Yeah, I don't think you're suffering too hard right now, though, bud. Big cheers. Justin Sahara. Oh. Oh. Yeah, for some reason, I think that I was looking it up earlier in the summer that Death Valley had like a heat record, and I was just like, where is it? Oh, he's just a one-upper. It's gotta be Testnet. I was looking up like the hottest places, the heat records or something. I'm just like weird like that. I don't know if any of you ever dive down the rabbit holes. But you get this idea in your head and like, I wonder. And the Sahara did have like one of the heat records from historical, but Death Valley was like one of them also. And it was somewhere else like super obscure. But a lot of hot places. Yeah, it was like Saudi Arabia had one of them, I think. Iraq. That's where you are, Corsair, or? Oh my gosh. Hot tea. Yeah, Mrs. Mandalo is from Vietnam, and she eats like hot soup on a effing like 105 degree. I guess it's like 40 C, close to that. She'll eat it like when it's 100 degrees outside. Hot soup and like hot coffee. I'm like, dude, quit playing with me. I can't be doing that. But they eat a lot of soup. Baby Mandala is good. Thank you, Dick Flex. Yep, thank you. How are you doing? Who Juicing Gang? Look at this. Kachoya. What's S&P doing? Ooh. Oh, it's gotta be Testnet. I drew that box off screen just to make sure that I could flex on y'all. Exclamation rewind. How do we find that box? I don't know. KIMBA sent it to me and said, make sure you draw this on screen, because if you don't, you're hoeing. There's some amazing history there too, Six Sierra. Yeah, it's a shame that like conflicts tear apart regions, isn't it? No Diabito. Yeah, it's gotta be Testnet. Testnet, Curvies. Yep, exclamation highlights. Shout outs to Houston this morning. We gave away some dollar bills, some dollars, some monies. Yep, BLOFIN in the house. Thank you. Yeah, so, Yeko Zero. Agreed. Yeah, we gotta confirm, but we'll see. Wow. I don't even know why I drew the bottom of it there. Like, that was like a really tight box. Oh, uh-oh, hot dog. I can't remember, but there is a reason. There was a logic behind it. Warsaw. Wow. Not at all, Biffum. But even if I can share a little bit that I've learned in the past few years, then I am thrilled. I'm thrilled if I can help. Yeah, that doesn't mean it helped, but like, I mean, we identified the level. If one can, we all can. Anybody can do it. It takes the work, the dedication, commitment, and patience. Yup. Anybody can do it. Big cheers. We got some amazing people here. Always have amazing lines in the gang. Big cheers to you all. Let's get it. Let's see here. I know it's coming up. There we go.
Useless line records. I've been deep in my charts.
I didn't pay out the candle points. What was it? Daga, how are you? For Julie. $25? What did Houston say? $2,500 in giveaways? Oh my gosh! Happy 420, good morning. How are you? Wow. Shoutouts to Kimba. Shoutouts to BLOFIN. Shoutouts to Houston. Shoutouts to Cage. All the mods. Chauncey. And Buzzo. And Cyper. And Tiggy. Yeah. Coin Nerd. Shoutouts to Coin Nerd. Don't ban me, please. Much love. Much love. Shoutouts to MGK. Who am I missing? I love you all. Big cheers. Shoutouts to the dev team. Shoutouts to all the mods and admins. All the people that work behind the scenes. Shoutouts to Kimba, of course. Blessed to be able to share. We talked about ETH a little bit, but yeah, we were kind of saying that it needs to hold the current level or have a swing fail at that like 42.68 level. Cytilic, shout outs to you. Grizzly, we haven't seen Grizzly in a while. Yeah, he kind of moved and like made some changes with his life, but I think he's doing well. I haven't spoken with him in a while. Yeah, he was a good dude. Yeah, shout outs to you. Good morning, V001. Kimba went billionaire. He's working on it, isn't he? He's juicing his levels. Yeah. We'll see him back here. We'll see him back here soon. You're just gonna have to suffer through me and Cage and Houston and everyone else in the meantime. Yep, but we're gonna try and bring you some juice. We got some indicators to play with. It's pretty awesome. So give them a try. Exclamation CoinWise, shout outs to them. Much love to the team over there. Hard work. A lot of cool stuff coming. A lot of cool stuff to work with already. Yeah, these indicators are pretty fun. Really, really amazing. Yeah, and they're still juicing. And we need to have a new song for rate cuts and we still ballin'. Yeah, the remix. Don't we? Let's get them. Bitso, how are you? Good morning. Xanthria, happy to know you. Big cheers. Much love to all of you. Yeah, he's fine. He's fine, happy. Shiba. Roscoe, good morning. How are you doing? Yeah, big cheers. Yeah, I'll be here all week, every morning, right around 9 New York time, except for CPI morning. Yeah, I'm not going to do the PPI super early release stream, but I'm going to be here at least 15 minutes before the CPI numbers come out on Thursday, so we can juice up together. And then don't worry if Kimba's unable to do FOMC, at least you'll have me up there. You know, I've already kind of like planned it just in case, so you're not gonna be flying blind. We will keep the Lions going. I'm sure that's gonna be a big day, a lot of fun things to come. Yeah, it's still in the plans, but we got some plans. Yeah, we'll see what Kim Beasley's got going, if he's gonna be able to do it. Otherwise, it's gonna be still juicy. Much love. Great, glad to hear it, Roscoe. Let's effing reclaim 112. Yep. Yep, who just got filled? Y'all got music? Yeah, thanks so much. It's Pilot. Big cheers. Oh! Look at that buyback on S&P. It's gotta be testnet. Looking for you. It's gotta be testnet. You know, Kimba still is proud of himself. He's like, it's funny every time. Hee hee. Right? Shoutouts to the BTCC enjoyers that are trading S&P or ES. Let's get it. Can't lose. Stops in profit. This is not a signal stream. This is a levels nerd out. It's levels nerd out. Practice risk management. Never all in. This is all theoretical. The song's like super hype. Yeah, ho! It's all theoretical. Practice safe sex. I mean, trading. And then I pull up a mix chart. Biffum or Six Sierra, were you in on that mix action? I missed it. I don't usually play like those type of things, but you get in early. Laude. Bertina. Yeah, my voice can't go like that, Twitching Greg. I'm still gonna have it crack like a 12-year-old. Hee hee. Lettuce, lettuce. Exclamation, lettuce. What was that outcome? I'm just gonna go over to Binance and see, and then we'll come right back. Market open. Is that a raid? We had some good showing for that. The Bears this morning were the juicers. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's okay. Just get back above that. Say from there. It's crazy that point of control is way up there. Here, I'm gonna move it just so it looks like better for bulls. Oh my gosh. We can't win. Oh, what do I think about MEXC? I think it's a scam. But some people juice the hell up on it. I am Blur. Yeah. Some people juiced it. I'm not trading that. I had my fun with scam coins in the past, but you know, we TA'd it kind of first thing this morning. Yeah. It's well, hourly close. Yeah, dude, it like ran like $1,000,000%, like 1,300% in like a couple days, didn't it? What if you were 10x on that? Even 10x, and like, what if you were 100x it? Shit. Why it's dropping? I guess it was bearish. Yeah, the math is the math. S&P is like kind of holding. Are they gonna it likely has some implications for the probability of a 25 versus 50 point rate cut. I would speculate that that is what crypto Twitter is talking about over the past hour. Yeah, I am not on CT currently. I mean, like, I have a Twitter account, but I'm not scrolling the feed. Yeah, Biff, I'm working with the discipline. Much love to that. Big congratulations on that. That is like the biggest thing. Yeah. Yeah, just because you see something like just going crazy does not mean that you need to jump into it. I used to do that a lot back in like 21. And I was like, well, I was spot trading, but still it was like momentum spot trading. That was pretty fun. But then I got really busy, and if you can't focus, it's a very difficult thing to do.
0.38205, you know it's going down.
It's difficult anyways.
0618, you know we hold it down. Let's go. 0.786.
Yeah, and I was like not as experienced, obviously 4 or 5 years ago as now, so you know, looking at it over like a year being bullish, and then all of a sudden you're in a year-long bear market, it's like different trading conditions. You're not like exactly breakout longing. For real. Yeah. Absolutely biff 'em. Yep, I put a punching bag in my office and like used it back in the day a little bit, and then like something clicked, and I just like I haven't touched it in over a year, even just like for exercise, like basically hardly at all. Like a little speed bag. Yeah, reckless decisions just kind of like affecting your like in real life as well. The emotions, not cool. Big cheers, 60 era. Thanks for your service. Strat, good morning, how are you? Liquidator. Biggest, it's emotions. Liquidator. Emotions. A little bit of FOMO, but more of the emotions. Yeah, just not following a plan and taking trades that are against your better judgment. Ooh, point of control and weekly VWAP strong. Can they hold it? On ES. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. You know, I was growing when I started trading crypto, not like, you know, 20 years old or anything. But still, like, it changes you. Trading in general. You know, I've been in business for a long time, but it's just like a different mentality. You have to approach it and, you know, really process a different way. Yeah, but once you start to be able to get things in check, even slowly but surely, it's a great feeling. It's either that or you die inside, like you see it all and then it's just like, I don't care anymore. Like, I'm just gonna follow the plan, and if it doesn't work out, then at least it's, you know, it's not like your whole port. It shouldn't be anyway. And not caring is not like the answer. It's just, you're not affected by like what a trade does. It's nice when it goes, and it sucks if you get stopped out, but it's not like defining you. Yeah. Yeah, what defines you is how you respond to it and what you do with your profits. I'm always preaching to you. Looking for you. Big cheers. What you're not going to get is preached at during this afternoon's talent show. Sometimes KIMBA gets reflective too, but I'm not trying to do that. just like where chat takes me. Yeah, I get tired and make the wrong decision. Sometimes I just like decide not to trade at that point. Stopped out and break even. Yeah. Yeah, it sucks when you get like pixel stopped and then it just like reverses, but you know, where in the past you might get really triggered by it, now you just wait for like a retest, see if you can get in on the action. There's like, getting mad doesn't fix the situation, does it? Dr. Manhattan, good morning, how are you? Ahim, how are you? Ahim, I'm not sure yet. We have to confirm with the team. Was that from over the weekend? Yeah, market will always be there. Really, you feel a lot more confidence with it the better you're able to read it. Yeah, you get a lot less triggered, I think. And staring at a screen does not make you better. You have to be like studying and learning and practicing, of course. Like, you're not going to manage anything if you're not practicing, even if it's like testnet. Yeah, missing out on taking profits, like, sheesh. Yep. I had a TP at 124, like 969 or something. What are you gonna do? From the hustle to the top we rise. Counting blessings, see it in our eyes. Yeah, I've been there. Satoshi, shoutouts to you. You get it back. Don't try to like trade it back like fast though. You'll get it. There's always better trades. 13%. Yeah, the 18th of December, like when it first came to that range, was like very, very volatile. I think it was the 5th. There was like a gnarly one too. It like broke 100k and then like nuked to 90. Remember that one? Or like nuked to 91 in like a 4-hour candle. Best way to practice and find proper knowledge. I mean, there's a lot to be said for studying on your own, but the Discord has some great resources. PSG, CoinWise is coming out with some great resources, of course. Watching the streams and the replays, but taking notes is a big thing. Like, taking notes and anything that you hear that you're not familiar with, at least like look it up and kind of read about it some on your own. Try to find, you know, articles or posts or videos on YouTube that have examples, and connect it with what you can backtest in the chart. Like, try to like actually find it yourself in the chart, like other examples of it. That can make a big difference. And you know, just backtesting really is helpful. You see me doing it a lot with you, but you know, I have like this memory recall. Is Gekfoot at 64.65? Let me check. Somebody might be able to confirm it faster than I can. I gotta refresh it, and I don't have my main It looks like it. Yeah. Yeah, Satoshi, I've round tripped 1000% trade before, like fully round tripped it and got liquidated, so like don't feel bad. But But that little drop in the song like sounded like somebody was laughing. Yeah, it's fucking hilarious. Yeah, seriously. I was like so juicing, and I just like shut it off. I was like, man, I'm good. And then I like just went and did something, and it did like that scam thing where it like fully retraces. Yeah, Curvies, shout outs to you. I didn't do it this week, and it was none of the trades that I showed you setups on, so don't worry. It was a long time ago. I think it was like 3 years ago maybe. But I was just like, you know, like sometimes, and it's not always a good thing, but you have like stub accounts or whatever, and you'll like set some trades and then like maybe not log into it because there's like a million windows open. But I've had some juicers that way too. Like you forgot that you set it, you like open the account and you're like, holy shit. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, cream. Yeah, don't place it all in one big swing trade. Don't place all your hope into that. But I know the feeling of like whittling away an account on stop losses. It sucks. I think a lot of people have been through that. Who still hasn't been in the dashboard to update your excuse me, your avatars? If you got a line of Laquania, make that your avatar. Shit. Discord too. Exclamation dashboard, exclamation Discord. You see the stream schedule in that dashboard. Exclamation giveaways. Shoutouts to Calling Noob. Yeah, we got music vibe stream later today. Yeah, at this point, I'm not liking these lows, by the way. But that's monthly VWAP. VWAP strong. You kind of want to see that if it happens, but then you also have these lows right here and these lows. That's not super nice. That's not super nice, but we can still hold up here and like bringing it into this picture. You got point of control down there to like kind of be confluence. Pull up in a drop top, sipping on some dirty juice. Plug just hit my line, said he got another move. Trap still booming, we ain't never hit the snooze. Peso after peso, got my pockets looking huge. You got more selling volume. I wouldn't like put anything. This is like on aggregate. Yeah, and CVD selling. Despite S&P bouncing at our pixel box, right? Good morning, Sophia. How are you? Delta on the right side is just regular VRVP. Just regular VRVP. And where we had it, somewhere over here. I don't know. Value area low from those lows. But I was trying to go to my R-Vol for aggregate. Yeah, it's not even like it was the other day, Friday. That's pretty natural though for a Friday to be like a lot, especially into the monthly. Yeah, I really need to be wrapping up, but like this is like right there. And I even said I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging if it's like pushing on these lows. I want to see it like hold or at least sweep it. KIMBA gang in this thing. What we do, Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a hard stop at noon though. Dot. A lot of altcoins will hold bad lows or bad highs. KCEX, shout outs to you. You playing dot? Silo, yeah, that's it's just VRVP. It's just volume. It's not delta volume. Every second is a chance. Tick tock, tick tock. Ain't no sitting back. Nah, that's not in the plan. KIMBA gang moves silent, but we always stand. Rough with the ground, but the bite is real. Every hustle we touch, yeah, we close that deal. Early bird with the worm, we don't wait. Yeah, big cheers to you. No debate when we grind, it's sealed with fate. What my KIMBA say? Right here, right here. Who gon' ride? We don't fear, we don't fear. KIMBA's making me feel good with 1,350 iPads, and we got 90 or 84 people here in chat. It's amazing. Yeah, let's get it. John Kata. Let's go. Juice up. Ace. Big shout outs. Exclamation welcome to any of the new viewers. I am not KIMBA. I'm his doppelganger. I'm just a lion like all of you. Been nerding out in PSG hard as shit for a long time. Doing some nerd outs with everybody. Shout outs to all of PSG. Manaka, let's go. PSG, if you don't know. Yeah, we can look at Tao. Stunt double, right? Yeah, I'm the body double. So for all the nude scenes, he has me do them. It's the opposite, for real. I'll like break all cameras. I have a home gym and I can't even like make time to use it. I'm always working. 60, let's go. Prop house. Aim talks. What do we want to see? Cow. Yeah, much love to all the mods and admins and all the OGs. Anyone who's working hard though. That's what it takes. Alright, let's see. We hardly charted hype yesterday. Maybe we'll look at that one later. We were talking about this. Need to hold it. I think there is potential for a swing failure, but I think we even like we're talking about this like consolidation right here, aren't we? Crypto kings grinding, but they never win. Corco praying hard, screaming, fuck this shit again. And I said Biffum and Six Sierra were the ones that sold this wig. They got filled. Right? We've been laughing about that forever. What in the world? Bad highs. Swing fail, clean the highs maybe. We need a swing fail though. Because why not? You want to go from like the big volume? Beginning of the buyback, big volume. This is perps though, so that was probably like shorts closing. Oh yeah, you gotta get it past that. That doesn't count. I think that's worse. Yeah, it's holding that upper band. There you go, something you didn't see in the volume profile video. if any of you haven't played with this tool before, that's your anchored volume profile. So it just goes to current from whatever you anchor it instead of visible range. But that is a hack. It's a tool. It's a tool. It's not an indicator. You don't need paid trading view for it. Hey, we're still outside value area high. Yeah, sweep. If you hold that, that's nice. 320, 325, yeah. Yeah. For that whole range down there, let's see if I can find where the anchor is. I don't know if I can get it without like... Oh, I can. I'm gonna have that anyway. It's still the same, dude. Right past that candle. Yeah. So it's right past that liquidation candle. And it is a liquidation candle, even if you were like on Coinbase, it still did that. They just pulled the liquidity. Yeah, just watch out if it starts losing 323 or this low right here, this consolidation. You got a naked point of control at 324. Biff them. Yeah, if it got real bearish, like sweep this. Getting like starting closes down here though, not super Gucci. I'll be able to see a little longer if I can run really fast and use the restroom. Cool. I'll be right back. 2 minutes. I kind of need some water too. I'll be right back. Big cheers. Cashing in dreams, futures allowed. Juiced up forever, success avowed. Right back.
Yo, we ain't doing this for nothing. Blood, sweat, tears, whole lot of long nights. If you ain't willing to lose it all, you ain't built for this. KIMBA gang, we Juiciest in the fuck up.
Came up out the mud, had to boss up. Late night, stomach hurt, but I ain't lost trust. Kept my mind on the bag, kept my feet on the gas. Told my brother stay solid, we ain't never looking back. Block hot, but my vision cold as aspen. Coulda took a L, but I turned it into passion. Hustle like I'm Nip, stay sharp like I'm 50. You ain't talking money, little homie, then you miss me. Sacrifice my sleep, I ain't seen my bed in weeks. They was counting me out, now they watching me eat. Grind heavy, heart colder than 100 below. When I touch it, best believe it's finna double and grow. Juiciest in the fuck up, I ain't letting up now. All the meals I took, look how I'm winning right now. Pressure make diamonds, I was built from the stone. You ain't working like me, then stay the fuck off the throne. Look, money don't sleep, neither do I. I've been grinding too long to let a broke boy slide. Had to cut some ties, I ain't stressing the loss. If you ain't help build a table, you ain't eating with boss. They ain't show love when a youngin' was down. Now my wrist cold and my bank account loud. Told my mama I got us, I ain't letting shit break me. Every dollar made was a risk, ain't no safety. Look me in my eyes, tell me what you see. A soul full of scars, but a heart full of G's. This ain't luck, boy, this that get it out the mud. Ain't no cheat codes here, just sacrificing blood. Juiciest in the fuck up, I ain't letting up now. All the meals I took, look how I'm winning right now. Pressure make diamonds, I was built from the stone. You ain't working like me, then stay the fuck off the throne.
Kimba gang, he ain't playing with y'all. You either grind or you starve. Simple as that. If you ain't sacrificing something, you ain't want it bad enough. Real ones know. Stay solid, stay hungry. Let's get it.
Yeah, yeah. Who Juiciest? KIMBA gang.
Help me! Who juicing?
Who Juiciest? KIMBA gang.
Big cheers. Sorry I left it on here for so long. Yeah. Hold it. Hold it or sweep it. We could pull a VWAP for the whole move, but you got anchor VWAP right there. I pulled it from the bottom right, yeah. I'm just gonna save it anyways.
KIMBA gang, Fibonacci, proper risk, stay steady.
Yeah, stopping some longs out.
No fear, move deadly. SNP confirms the move. Help me. SNP, help me, help me.
We'll check it out if that thing gets lost. Thanks for waiting. That's some heavy selling. Did it make all-time high again today? Oh boy. You want to close above it. Close above yesterday's, but definitely want to close above this. It's in OKX, it doesn't really matter. Anywhere else have more volume? Does Binance have more volume on it now? I can't look super hard on it.
Let it stack, we're on the rise. Juiced up profits, hypnotize. Feel the baseline, let it flow. Hands in the air now, lose control.
It's interesting how value area high and market structure like follows a similar shape to it, huh? You know how I love my trend lines. That $50 level is just
Juiced up vibe, we touch the sky. Keep it moving, feel the beat. Dance all
Cachoya, huh?
no need to speak. That's right, let's go. Oh yeah.
It's gotta be testnet. It finally closed above it yesterday. Need to hold it. Maybe wick back down and retest like the high 40s. The bands. Let's say from this low. Oh, we got some juice going on, huh? We need to get back on a Bitcoin. Yeah, like 46. Hold this consolidation. We need to get to Bitcoin. I see Agar going. Excuse me, what is going on here? Did we just run that low? Ew. That's why I'm here. Are you for real? Quit playing with me. Oh, Zavi, big shout outs. Yeah, I don't know about that, Zavi. It's level to level. You need to lose 107 first, and that's a ways away. I know people who shorted these million bad highs would love to see that. I think if it goes to 105, it's gonna like overrun it. Maybe like 103, 102. I like 102.8. Or like, I think it's value area low on that range. We TA'd it a few times. But I don't see it. I don't see that happening right now. We'll see about next week. Big week next week. We got a big week this week. We got PPI tomorrow, CPI. I guess if it's like super Kachoy tomorrow, and Thursday maybe. I don't even know like the scenarios that would affect our rate cut at this point, this late in the game. Cause so it's been so expected for so long. Pixel perfect. Let's go. Kachoy bad low. What did it do in CME? It swept in CME. Not that one. This song is like perfect for like right what's happening right now. Isn't it? Exclamation dashboard, that's right. We had $2,500 in giveaways this morning. Shouts to Houston. Shouts to all the mods team, developers, and all the admins. Shouts to BLOFIN. BLOFIN. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shouts to CoinWise. They got a little giveaway promotion going on. Amazing indicators we've been working with the past almost week now. Enjoying them a lot. Yeah, some really great stuff to see there. And shout outs to KIMBA. Shout outs to all of you. My bad, Houston. I actually had it turned down even more. How's the music now? Is it too loud? Too quiet now? Oof. We need to see where this is going. Ooh, towel. I can't click over to it yet. I need to see Biddy. Wanna hold this.
KIMBA gang, we dey shine, watch how we glow. We lit. No wahala, we dey flex. We dey flex. Trade my way to bigger checks. See my table, it be set. No more stress, just manifest. Say we juicing from the left to the right. See my charts, they be looking too nice. Let us stack in, I'm on, no lie. Trade that, flip that, take flight. Who juicing? KIMBA gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. Yeah, more profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? KIMBA gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. Yeah, more profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? KIMBA gang. Who stacking? KIMBA gang.
Hot dog. Latisse. Horrendous. The music's horrendous. Turned it down. Oh, you like it the way it is? It's better now? Thanks, Curvies. Sorry about that. It'll be set on this. Just say something, y'all. Roscoe. Yeah, they got some amazing stuff. Chilling on an island, sky high. No stress, we just get by. I did cruise, no time for lose. Life too short, make I choose. This is not the buy box, this is like the sweet box. So you can mark both of them. I don't like that. You know, they could hold just this little one, but it's so close to all those others. And the point of control. That's not as significant to me.
Who juice? KIMBA gang. Who stacking? KIMBA gang. Who flexing? KIMBA gang. We no stressing now.
Yeah, and that's not even in a daily.
No regrets, just play my part. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. We going up.
Sorry about that, Housty. Yeah, sorry to hear it, Latisse. You get on the next one. Yeah, valleys are so close together. Yeah. Yeah, Unleash. Indo Line, how you doing? Don't need no other streamers. 109.9, yeah. It is very goofy. I do not like that. I'm just saying, like, if it were to hold, I personally would really like to see that one. And you got an MPOC down there. That's volume. Yeah, this. And then that still is, value area low holding. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, that's kind of like the basis behind this. Honestly, that 107 is not a great level down here, but that's pretty far. I think it's going to take like CPI to go down there. That, even that. is a possibility. But you really don't want to like get a close down below 110. It's been a big like flip. Let's go Houston. Big cheers. Yeah, it's possible for sure, JB. Yeah. Where the cleaning gonna stop? You know, in bull markets they like to just leave stuff for later. We've been having bad lows since like 74K. Really since 58K. I'm going back like a year and change, right? Yeah, it's a bummer, man. I'm sorry to hear it. KIMBA Airlines, yep, that golden ticket. Yep, I'm the one that cleans the bathroom on the KIMBA Airlines. But, you know, started from the bottom, now I'm here. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Big cheers. Yeah, we got a 4-hour close too, so like kind of have like not all that much time to run it, and like I could see them actually holding it somewhere around here, or hold like somewhere in this area, and then like do it like right after the hourly if they're gonna go for this one. If they just start to like kind of fuck around down here, this is definitely like a target. Yeah, but you see something like this, and I think that it's done for now. You start closing back up here for sure. Because even though that's not like as much as all this, it still is based off of this level right through here. I would say things would look a lot better if it reclaims that. Yeah, so like that thesis would be like, you know, off of this failed auction maybe. Coming up, boom. Get that volume there. Trade right through that low volume node.
Damn, Kimba, you back at it again.
When the drones start flying, when the drones start flying, when the drones start flying, where you at? When the charts get wild, can you laugh?
Inky, are you having a bad day? Aw, I think one of the YouTubes doesn't have music. I like hearing when the drones start flying. I just can't think of Drake without throwing a orange slide. Which one of you got the Lines of Laquania at the Penthouse? Did any of them have the orange slides? That is the funniest damn video. The no music stream has music, no coach. Oh yeah. Do you miss my my tin can microphone? It's a little better now. I have a better one that I just need to like figure out. There are two YouTube. There's two on YouTube. Is one of them not music? I'm not allowed to turn it on for previewing. Gino, Epic Tech. How you doing? Inky, the market open with Mandalo day 2 sounds like it doesn't have it. Yeah, thanks, Jedis. I had to play with some things to get it. It was the same mic actually. Not a great one, but it worked.
tight, eye low, levels on go. When the bullets hit,
I think that the Mandalo one, the one that's tagged as Mandalo's like day 2, doesn't have it. You want different songs? Both have music. Bummer. Bummer. We'll have to sort that out. I'm gonna jot that down. There was something else that like, oh yeah, the clock. We'll like see if we can make improvements. Yep. I'm that big of a boomer. I write stuff down. But you see something in the chart and I'm just gonna remember it, even though I still write it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying half the time, so I have to look it up on ChatGPT. You could not bear to hear silence for some time while I'm doing that. I have to figure out answers for all of you in chat. Clock in the top corner. Yep, Houston nailed it. You want some like lo-fi? I'm gonna have to figure out how to like connect it, but I can get like lo-fi for the last 10 minutes. I'm just trying to juice on this little move we got going on. Calling Noob is digging it. Sorry, Inky. Yeah, I know, Houston. I just kind of liked this. I'm accustomed to it. It's been juicing people up this morning. Yeah, thanks Houston. I might rock it for a little bit tomorrow. But we're juicing. This is market RTH. This was a juicy day. Hear the speaker without the music. Yeah, I feel you. Yeah. I know. I'll like turn it down a lot when sometimes, and sometimes I'll watch it on YouTube as well when KIMBA's on. Yeah, I know, it's like fucking nuking and we're worried about like great songs. I need to concentrate, focus. Hold on, let me put my my trades in. I'm not sure. Owner. That's TBD. He's working hard for y'all though. I know that. I don't even think that he knows exactly when. It could be tomorrow. I don't think it's gonna be tomorrow. Yeah, but he's said that he might have some surprise streams. So stay tuned, look in the dashboard. Make sure that you're up to date. Join the Discord if you're not there. Yep. Things are starting to get interesting and I'm about to bounce. I'm sorry, guys. The math is the math. If things are crazy later, maybe I'll hop on for like a couple minutes before Houston has his show. How's that? Because we have plans. We have plans, we have levels we've identified. You know, this is bad. This is bad. I need to hold those. We don't want this. Yeah, first off, losing this, but that's a lot worse. And then pushing down here, you're just building the same kind of bad lows again outside of value area for this whole range. It's not great. I would say that would be the type of situation that you might be starting to look for that 107. Not that I would be saying short that unique confluence. Maybe Band-Aid, dude, there is like, I don't know if it's DoorDash or Uber Eats, I don't know, because Mrs. Mandalo has a lot of them, but they'll give you, if you use the service, they give you like one free meal or something, and so like you can juice up when they have specials. Yeah, we got like a whole sushi dinner the other day. That was pretty awesome. I don't remember which one it is though. Grubhub or Uber Eats or DoorDash. They all like have little things. But the fees are gnarly, and like the I don't even think the fees are tipping the drivers. What's S&P doing? They're holding. Didn't it do this yesterday too though? It just like held this level all day and Bitcoin pulled back through the PM session. It's pattern recognition. Ripping up tiles. Oh man. At least they're ripping them up and not laying over it and having like super thick floors or something. What are you gonna get in there? Maybe Band-Aid? Are you getting stone? Are you redoing your kitchen? The whole thing? I know Florida, it's like big, loving tile floors. It's hardwoods here. I feel ya. Sorry, Anki. I feel ya. Yeah, it's really hard. If you go on slow mode, it sounds like demon mode for the music, so there's always that. 5A open interest is crazy on Coinalize. Is it skewed by that one? I'm gonna have to open it up off screen, but I'll look at it. Yeah, that's for sure. How's the EXO looking? I have EXO somewhere on here. I wonder if that's for real. Who said that? Shouts to you, Rubinachi. He's talking about this. Ooh-wee. That's a whole lot of damn OI. Right? Damn! Shouts to you, brother. Yeah. I wonder if I can find it without, like, blinding your eyes. The XO. I don't think that I can, like, really show. Yeah, you just got longs piling in. You got bottom shorts piling in. It's a whole lot of fun. But yeah, that OI is juicing the fuck up. Yeah, you can see it on the YouTube pretty well. Ooh-wee. Yeah. Big shouts to the YouTube. I'll pull it over. That's what we're looking at. I'm not going to show it all because I don't know what other stuff I have information wise, but the vibe easy. Delta up, longs up. What do you say about the early longs? But we got bottom shorts too, so like what are you gonna say? Big breakout short on Binance. Big bottom short on USDT Bybit. And OKEX is like the only one that's like actually juicing. Looks like. They kind of short at the top in this little move. Yeah, Jedi's Kirk. That's a nice resource, isn't it? Amazing that KIMBA does that for us for free. Love it. Actually, it's like $250 or like $300 for 6 months. That's like tremendous value. And then like you got to learn how to set it up. But there's some places that can teach you. Shoutouts to CoinWise. Shoutouts to PSG. Shoutouts to right here. Oh, I mean S&P is fine. We closed below that low right there, though. We were talking about that. S&P. They're gonna do this stuff until Thursday, and then we'll see. We talked about that though, like holding this and then like maybe attacking it after the 4 hour, and they tuck it back in and make it look like a good 4 hour candle. Yeah, big cheers, Robinachi. Hope everything's well. You gonna stick around for the music contest in a little while? But for the talent show, I think it's a viewing party. Get the vibes up. Yeah, it's been some awesome songs. Shoutouts to Houston, shoutouts to anybody that submitted. Keep trying if you haven't got your song played. Even if you got your song played, like keep trying. I made a couple songs, it's pretty fun. But I don't have time to like mess around with that anymore. It is fun though. Yeah, I need to turn my brain productive and not like trying to do stuff that people can do better. But you can juice up and have some fun doing it. Like do it like at night or something when you're just kind of blowing off steam. Yeah, in the Discord you have a submission form, and you say like what kind of vibes you like Latin or hip-hop or country. I don't know if any of you like country music. Sniper Kimba line. Are you talking about this one? It's got to be Testnet. He sent me that though. He was like, yeah, make sure you get it for like 50 cents at $64.90. We drew it on stream. I don't even know how the hell I did it, but it was a settlement and some other stuff. Yeah, and it's not like I don't know how, like it was magic. It was so long ago this morning that I don't remember all the pieces of confluence that came together to identify that level. But we juiced up on processing it together.
Useless lines records.
Dark country.
Whole lot of damn juice. Quit playing with me.
Country, I mean, like there's some things to be said for it. I used to be like, nah, for like true like American country music, but it's like some of the only like actual feel-good music for some of it. Other than like classic rock and roll to me. And by classic rock and roll, I don't mean like Nickelback. I mean like 70s music, 1970s. Like, that stuff was good. I told you I'm old. I was not born in the 70s, but I like the music. I'm not a super big fan of any of them. A little bit before all them. Not that I'm before, I just like the type of stuff from before that. Yeah. I'm like the dude in The Big Lebowski. Give me some Credence. I like a lot of stuff though. I'm pretty open-minded about a lot of music. Catchoy. Who just bottom shorted this? That's awesome, Inky. Xantry, you like Journey and Kiss? I used to work at a bar a long time ago, and they used to always play that fucking song, that Journey song, and it's like, it was like every single night. So, you know, like back in the day, like before all that, and I worked there for years. You know, I like wasn't mad at that song, but like now I just, it's like overkill, you know what I mean? Where is Kimba? Shout out to you, Copper Don. He's been talking about it for a while. He's got some IRL stuff. He had to go back to work, and he's got like some other things he's been working on. But he's talked about it for like more seriously the past few months. But he's been talking about it for like a year and a half, right? You remember he was like, man, we might be having to go back to work in 2025. And then it like never came. We were like, fuck yeah, Kimba's here. But we're gonna hold it down for him. We're gonna hold it down the best we can. Try to give you as much as we have to offer. And there's mad giveaways, lots of new content is actually in development, for real is. I hear some rumblings of some plans for the NFTs. I don't know, like I'm not a part of the team or anything, but I've heard some cool things. That would be sweet. I have some, I bought some. Or minted them. Yeah. I'm sure that he will, when he returns. He's gonna pop in from time to time, he said, but I don't know when he's gonna come back. But he's been kind of teaching us some of the ropes and setting up some of the systems for us to be able to, you know, use his spaceship while he's, you know, taking care of things that need to be done. Yeah, he's gonna level up Laquania though. Let's get it. I'm so proud, like, to be a part of this. Like, you know, a lot of us have learned stuff from him and from the community, but to see somebody like talk about a vision and then actually follow through on it, whatever it is, it's just like, it's cool to see. That's inspiration. I could, a speaker would be good to be inspiration, wouldn't it? Deep. It is inspiring. Hard work, good decisions. Yep. Let's go. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna have to begin. Yeah, he is for sure. Or he's got like that, what, Neuralink? Maybe? Inky, I have it noted. We're gonna, I'm gonna see what I can do. I'll talk to the people that can make changes and see if we can have any options. Fernandez, how are you? Good morning. It may be too complicated for all the systems that we're like patching in or whatever. It's not like patched together. What's up, 83rd? Market makers waiting for that hard stop. Yeah, but like gave it a few minutes after 12 o'clock. We bidding this dump though. It's a real juice. Lead us to the pink. Yeah, we've kind of like identified like that is a potential, but you want it to be a swing fail right here. Otherwise, if it is like kind of a failed auction, I'd be looking for this low. And again, you want it to be a swing fail or a failed auction that like doesn't fuck around for like way long. Like you don't want a daily close down there. Yeah, if it does make it all the way down to like 109-ish, because you like close down in this area and grab that like swing fail and pock tuck back in, that's nice. That's value area low. But this is a bad low also. So you start getting like closes in here and chopping around, like that's like potential. And if it's like all the way into CPI, like, you know, the first move is the debate. Yeah, I am bald. Yeah, just shave it. Who gives a shit, dude? I'm fucking... I got a wife and kids. It's fine. I cared about it when I was younger. But like, dude, Mrs. Mandalo is way out of my league. Yeah. Yeah, I just put a hat. A hat in the wintertime. Yeah, thanks, Fernandez. Yeah, it bothered me when I was younger, when I was like single and stuff a little bit, but it's cool. Bold moves. Yeah. Thanks, MGK. Big cheers, dude. Much love. 420 in lion years. I'm 40. I'm old. I'm like twice the age of most of these people. Most of the lions. Yep. Big cheers. Sophia. Much love. Yeah, always. Mark, you are or I am? I feel like it in the morning sometimes. A lake in the forest. This skirted egg is a good one. Look that one up. Yeah, those like head shaver thingies are pretty nice. Yeah, I have many jobs, Pavel. Kind of in the sense that Kimba has like a lot of things that he's into. I'm into different things, but I'm also like big like mindset, work mindset, a lot of different things that I dabble in. Real estate, construction. I have a doctorate in like the medical field. Yeah, a lot of different business things. I did a lot before trading. Yeah, COVID changed the way that I had to approach life, as it did for a lot of people. Yeah. And having a family changed the way that I wanted to approach life and business. Like, what an amazing opportunity to even be part of the time you can work from home, be near the family. Yeah, for real. It's not like Professor Mandalo for like the lulz. Yeah. Hey, cheers, Buzzcree. Yeah, Fibception. Let's get it. Yeah, one of the beautiful things about like having other things going on is I don't have to get super stressed out about trading. If a trade doesn't work out, you know, my family still eats. I'll still be able to pay my bills. Like, that's a lot of pressure to put on yourself, especially when you're learning. Kimba's talked about that before. But like, it seems like it's a dream job. If you're like really juicing, then of course it is. But yeah, that's a lot of pressure. Shout out to you, Biffum. Crushing it at 26. He's gonna be a billionaire by 30. 6 Sierra probably is too. Hey Blade's working on it. Big cheers. Exclamation Latuche. Wish you were younger. Alright, I got meetings coming up, y'all. They're holding this for now. You know what to look for. If things get nuki or super interesting. Shouts to you, Coke Zero. Much love. Damon. Much love. Big cheers. Mark. Yep, you can like cross-reference all the things that I've said on stream and figure out who I am. Yep. Probably. But come surf in my wave pool. Just take me with you. Captain TV, hi. You're just coming into the outro. John Cotta, let's go. That was a good day. Look at this S&P. Beautiful. Did it E-sweep? I know Tal did. One wrap up. I just gotta check Tal and ETH because Tal clocked my level. These sons of bitches. Anybody that's long is like, laughing. It's gotta be testnet. Jeez. Crow, did it sweep that level that we were talking about? It barely swept it. How about that? That was a swing fail. That's a different layout that I had, but we were looking at that. Wait a second, that's today. What in the hell? Did they have some other news thing? Oh, it's swept and they ran it up and sold it back off. Yeah, you need to close today below, above that. BLOFIN was looking at Suey yesterday. Somebody else was too, right? Some Trump news with Kuro, probably. What a surprise. Suey clean that up. We need to close above this. We need a daily close up there. We were talking about that yesterday too. This isn't my altcoin layout, but it was just a quick one that I could go through. Yeah, but I can still hold this.
Green candle dry, but my mind still mean. Bugatti speed, no Fed machine.
Hold that point of control, maybe.
Just an edge in the KIMBA gang family. No rate cut, still ballin'. No rate cut,
As long as that holds. It might be okay. You got VWAP kind of curling up here. Six Sierra's got some soul plays going on. Holding these lows, not bad. It needs to break them though, for Six Sierra's sake, and really for the 1,000 people that he usually is gift and subs to sake, right? What was that last one that I was looking at? Oh, Tau. Yeah, the music just ran out. I'm gonna have the send off music soon. Yeah, and we were looking at like this area, this consolidation through here. Somewhat. I'm sure that's a fib. I don't even know if I fibbed it when we TA'd it before. I'm super loose on it. I'm trying to wrap it up. Yeah, monthly VWAP, but there's a bunch of other things. Like, it should not have settlement on this chart. It doesn't matter. I just haven't deselected it on this indicator. Yeah, it should hold this or reclaim up here if you want it. Otherwise, you know, the high 320s is interesting. All the way, I mean, the 320s are interesting to me. You get some naked points of control and some other things. It has only been a few days that it just ran up. And it like ran like 10%. Yeah. Yeah, KIMBA's away. Yeah, we did some TA on Hype Unleashed. We said like it'd be nice for us to hold the $50 level. Maybe like the high 40s would be interesting. And then the low 40s would be like somewhere that we're possibly actively interested. Yeah, shout outs to Biffum. Chicken milkshake. Bonds auction in 41 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna be in a meeting. Like, they're already like waiting for me. One last look at Hype. That's how we'll send it. That was like, I don't even know how long ago. That was forever. And it's like, when was that? June? That was based off of Fibonacci, I think. That's an old box. I didn't even think that it was on this layout. It doesn't matter. It's on BitGet on this chart. Yeah, all-time high, failed auction, bad highs. Hold this would be nice. That's value area high. Previous day. Need to hold that. If it starts accepting in here, just don't lose that. Like the 50. And $50 has been like a big level. Yeah, big cheers to all of you. Big cheers to all of you. Yeah. Thank you so much for today. That was amazing. I had a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys juiced up. Got some, picked up a few things. Got some ideas of your own. I'm always open for questions. You know, I'm pretty casual. Make sure you watch the highlights. Make sure you sign up for the dashboard. We have an amazing party coming up this afternoon. It'll be some great vibes with Juiciest. Big cheers. Yeah, that's right. Twitch and Greg. Big shout outs to Cage. Big shout outs to Buzz. Big shout outs to Cyper. MGK. Chauncey. Tiggy. Coin Nerd. Everybody else. I'm so tired. Massive thank you to KIMBA. Massive thank you to all the OGs, all the gifters, all of you hard workers out there, and anybody that's new as well. Stand up PSG. Let's get it. Much love to you all too. Calling noob, shout outs. Big thank you to BLOFIN. Big thank you to CoinWise. If you haven't tried out their indicators yet, check out the pin, exclamation CoinWise. Toddler. Yes, sir. Bugs. Much love. Loot time. Calling noob. Crispy. Chicken milkshake. Indo Lion. Burgix. Biffum. Much love, Biffum. You're a legend. Big cheers. Yeah. Cytilix. Thank you to YouTube. Bobby Toxic Pedals. Roscoe. Let's go. Twitch and Greg. Thank you. Yep. Same time, same place tomorrow. Question mark. Dancing Kiwis. Shout outs. Token Tickler. Yeah, have a great day, y'all. Juice up. Nico. Much love. Indo Lion. Thank you. Yeah, thank you all. Good times. Good times. Let's get it. Yep, do you guys want the outro or you just want it to go straight to the chart? I like the song. Silverwolf, Buzzcree, MJ, Grime Minister, Outro Ace, let's go. Cytilix, yeah, shoutouts to the guys that worked on it. Yeah, big cheers. Yeah, Housty, Buzzo. Big cheers, that's cool. Cytilix, 83rd. I'm not crying, you cry. Kachoy. If you don't have a stop loss, Sato's gonna slap the shit out of you. Is that what he usually says? Mark, big cheers. Nono Diabito. Hey Blade, much love. Texas. Shout out to Houston. Ace, shout outs Texas. Let's go. Zantry. Curvies. Shiba. Mino por you por. Kachoy Shiba. Kachoy Bubuya. I need to work on that one. I never say it out loud. Regal. Yeah. Can I get a yo? Yeah. No diabito. Big cheers. All right, outro time. Much love.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how. Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, Dre's gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.